What's up, everyone? I am a profitable trader. I am a calm, disciplined man. I believe Jesus Christ will help me. I will never give up on my dreams. I am a profitable trader. I am a calm, disciplined man. I believe Jesus Christ will help me. I will never give up on my dreams. What are we seeing today? Today is Tuesday, 17th. If I didn't already say it, I bought another account. Just a single one though. I'm not going to copy trade through accounts until I get another possible payout. But what do we see here? Price dropped back into the new day, into the CE of this new day. Not tapping the weekly, but ES taps the daily, leaving a pretty big bearish range. Looking to see if we can fill this. Price is pushing up into this 2 hour, tapping off the CE, giving a reaction. It's not the clearest as to what price wants to do, but we have this new week above on ES. NQ's new week is a bit farther up, so that new week could be bearish to go ahead and take down these levels and fill out the rest of this new day. External sell side would be like right here. I don't believe we're going there today, but it doesn't hurt to mark it out. Anyways, market also is already in high time frame 7.705 level, indicating bullish draw. So I'm keeping that just in case. And of course we have these OTE levels of this range, this little 4 hour range. EQ is right here. We have OTE at around that new day, along with this 4 hour. EQ for this new week is up here on ES. It's 2 hours up here as well. Just marking out all the confluences I can. We got another new day above as well, so decent confluences. Oh, it looks like you also have this 4 hour gap right here. I didn't mark that out. I will right there though. And it looks like ES is inside of a 4 hour right here. That should be everything marked out, I believe. It's gonna be quite a strange day, but it's honestly either or. There's really no telling if price wants to push all the way back up, if price wants to go back into this 4 hour, if price just wants to retrace to this equilibrium range. But as long as we see a tap of a level and we see some sort of entry model, then we're good enough to take a trade in the other direction. So we will see how price works at market open. See ya. So ES pushes up. We make an SMT at these 5-minute low. And looks like both are gonna push up. ES is just tapped into the new day, as well as equilibrium of that 4 hour range. NQ still not really close. That 4 hour looks decent with that 0.75 level. And we're pushing up into all these levels. I'm low-key gonna take off this fucking true day open level. It's kind of fucking dumb, bro. Yeah, it's low-key retarded, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm definitely taking these fucking levels off because this is retarded, bro. It doesn't even look good. Alright, let's go back on the 5 minute. So yeah, price is tapping off that new week now. We just tapped a CE of it on ES. And looks like ES took London high as well. So that's an SMT technically. Yeah. We're just gonna wait. See if we get a strict shift to the downside. Maybe to fill out the rest of this new day. Since we're kind of at EQ. $10 a.m. could close though, and we could form a shift and then retrace here. So it's not like the clearest day. But based on this huge new day, it's looking different. Looks like we had this little retrace as well on the 2 minute for London highs. Could have been a decent trade, but it's okay. We'll just wait. Be patient. This is just the first expansion move. Price always makes one. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna push higher. Maybe even into this new day on ES. NQ this new week. 4 hour. I'll update. Again, alright, maybe I might be fucking up. I don't know, mate. We got this tap off this 4 hour perfectly. We retraced to this shit on the 2 minute. I don't know if this is supposed to be like this fucked, but could be fucked. I could get fucked here, honestly. Who the fuck knows? I'm just trying to get a 1-to-1 right here on ES because it looked clean. So ES to me looked clean, especially since there's equal lows right here. Yeah, there's equal lows right here. This looks super clean, bro. We'll put my stop or my limit 1 tick above this. And then we'll put a 1-to-1 right here. The sad thing is that we could get stopped. I mean, to me, it looks like this could get taken. Honestly, whatever. It's one account. Let's just not care, bro. Should have just entered like immediately when I saw that instead of just waiting for this to flip and close, because then it's like, well, now I'm kind of fucked and I don't really know what to do. But equal lows look clean, in my opinion. 5 minute doesn't look to be giving us an entry. Oh, okay. Well, we got hit, so that's decent. Should have entered kind of closer and like right when I saw that 2 minute, because this was a clean retrace to the order block with the 2 minute. And then we got that rejection with the equal sell side below after we get a huge tap off of this 4 hour in ES. I mean 4 hour CE on NQ. ES, we edge Asia high. tap into the new day and get the 4 hour align with the OTE level. So like a lot of confluences are aligning, and it looks to be clean. We also had equal sell side on NQ. This little 15-minute order block tap was kind of clean at the market open as well. So yeah, decent. All right, see ya. Or not see ya, but still nervous, man. I don't know why I'm nervous. Like, that's a clean confluence. You saw it on NQ, so I mean, you saw it on ES. NQ didn't offer anything really, but ES did. So there you go. That's the trade. Don't be afraid to take the trades when you see them, man. Just don't be afraid. That's one thing I get messed up about, you know? I'd be afraid to take the trades. And it's not good. I have to have more confluence to be more okay. And I have to be more, just way more ready to enter a trade, ready to be able to just do it, you know? And I guess because it's one account, I have less stress than if it was 3, so that's great. But still, like, you see what you see, man. 2 minute is useful. 5 minute could end up going. Let's see, maybe we could get a retrace to equilibrium on the 5 minute now, before we take this external. Looks like we don't. Looks like I got kind of the best trade idea possible. That's actually very, very much a blessing. This was very clean though, you see? 2 minute order block. Plus 2 minute fair value gap. You can retrace into. Right here, after we already tapped off high time frame PD raise, new day, order block in the 4 hour and OTE. And we edge Asia high. When you edge liquidity level like that, it's clear resistance. Let's see if price maybe gives us an opportunity to enter here. I'm not going to enter, obviously, because I already traded. But just so, if I didn't take that trade, if it was a possibility on NQ, there's always a possibility. Looks like we don't get one before we take liquidity on both these levels. Yeah, looks like we got pretty much the perfect trade. Thank you all for watching. Peace.